Welcome to section 5.2 in shell adaptions, and what is a fairly simple measure, minimal shell thickness. Okay, tell us how thick you want the shell and we'll be able to do it. But please remember, shell thickness relates to the materials that you've selected up here. It can also relate deeply to the arch profile that you've captured, the additions and recesses that you've chosen or will choose in the following sections down here. The posting that you put on, whether it be intrinsic or extrinsic, and the type of post that you desire, and of course the material that you wish to print in. All of these can have an influence on the force return that you get on a device at any given point in time or age with regard to shell thickness. So this is the ones where if you keep this simple early, you'll start to see what the others do, but then you can go back and tweak it in time as you want to modify your designs and reprint. Alright, I'll see you again in the next section.